I need to prove the alternate segment theorem. I need to show that this angle here is the same as this one using algebra. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split this up. I'm going to take the center, that is a center, and draw a radius to that corner and another radius to the other corner to meet the tangent. Right? And we know this is an isosceles triangle. Right. Now if I just split this up in half, if I split this isosceles triangle in half, so take a line to this chord, that's your 90 degrees. I'm going to call this one X. So if this is X, this other side is going to be X because obviously this angle here has been split in half. I'm going to call this Y and the other side Y as well because it's the same angle. If this is Y, the other one's going to be a Y as well because it's part of the isosceles triangle. The other thing I can say is I can say to you that this angle here is going to be X. Why? Well, if you remember from circle theorem, one of the other circle theorems, angle at the center, right, this one here, angle at the center is twice the angle at the edge. So if this is 2x, x plus x is 2x. So if this is 2x, this will have to be half of that. That will have to be x. One other thing that you've got to notice is that if you can see this here, this radius here, it meets this tangent right there. That there altogether is 90 degrees. That there is 90 degrees. Because we know that radius and tangent makes 90 degrees. So then what's this angle over here? Well, that's obviously going to be 90 minus the y. Right, so we'll just call that 90 minus y. So somehow I need to prove that this x is also worth 90 minus y. I can't just write it down without the proof. So our work begins with that isosceles triangle. If you can just focus on one of the triangles, just this one there for now. Okay, any one will do, but just that one for now. We know angles in a triangle add up to 180. Let me just draw that in for you. I'm talking about this triangle here. That's your x and that's your y. We know angles in a triangle add up to 180. So if you just add these up, x plus y plus the 90 degrees adds up to 180. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make x the subject of the formula because over here I've got x. So what I need to do is I need to take away the y. I'll take away the 90 from both sides. I'm just doing it in one go. So the y's will cancel. The 90 take away 90 is 0. Right. So y's and 90's cancel. I'm just left with x on this side. 180 take away 90 is 90, and you just got the minus y by itself. So x, I'm referring to x is equal to 90 minus y. This x over here is equal to 90 minus y. Right, that thing is the same as this. So what I've just done is I've proved the alternate segment theorem to say that this angle is the same as this angle.